An overview on Microsoft Office 365 Copilot powered by AI GPT 4.0 with great exciting AI features by new Bing. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Copilot is an AI-powered assistant that provides interactive assistance across business functions such as sales, service, marketing, and supply chain. It is the world's first AI copilot natively built in to both CRM and ERP applications. It automates certain tedious tasks such as manual data entry, content generation, and note-taking. It is designed to reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks and help users focus on more important work. Microsoft Office 365 Copilot is powered by GPT 4.0, which is a generative AI model that can generate human-like text. It is expected to transform Microsoft Office productivity apps such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. 1. Microsoft 365's AI-powered Copilot can automatically generate Word documents, Outlook emails, and PowerPoint decks, can automate data analysis in Excel, and can pull relevant points from the transcript of a Microsoft Teams meeting, among other features. 1. Copilot will allow users to do things like summarize long emails, draft stories in Word, and animate slides in PowerPoint. 2. According to a recent leak, Copilot appears in a sidebar in an online version of PowerPoint where you can ask the assistant to create a presentation based on a Word document. PowerPoint then immediately drafts a presentation, complete with a full slide deck based on the contents of the Word document supplied. 1. Copilot in PowerPoint helps you create beautiful presentations with a simple prompt, adding relevant content from a document you made last week or last year. 3. Microsoft 365's AI-powered Copilot can automate data analysis in Excel, and can generate new text-based content, analyze numeric data, create new designs, summarize email, chat discussions, or other content, and much more. 1. With Copilot, users will be able to quickly generate documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or draft emails with a simple command. 2. 4. In Microsoft Teams, the Copilot feature can transcribe meetings, remind you of things you might have missed if you joined late, or even summarize action items throughout a meeting. Copilot can also provide information about an upcoming Teams meeting or create a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation based on a Word document. 5. According to Microsoft, Copilot in Outlook can help you clear your inbox in minutes, not hours. It can summarize long email threads and even create draft responses with toggles to adapt the tone or length of an email. In brief, Microsoft has announced the Copilot feature for its suite of Office software, including Word, Excel, and Outlook emails. Copilot is a processing engine that will allow users to do things like summarize long emails, draft stories in Word, and animate slides in PowerPoint. Copilot can also create PowerPoint presentations based on information in other apps, such as Word. In Outlook, Copilot can help you clear your inbox in minutes, not hours. It can summarize long email threads and even create draft responses with toggles to adapt the tone or length of an email. Here is a poem on exciting Microsoft Office 365 Copilot new AI features powered by ChatGPT 4.0. Microsoft Office 365 Copilot. New AI features powered by ChatGPT 4.0. Summarize long emails, draft stories in Word. Animate slides in PowerPoint, it's not absurd. Create PowerPoint presentations based on information in other apps. In Outlook, clear your inbox in minutes, not hours, no more naps. Email threads can be summarized, draft responses can be created. Toggles to adapt the tone or length of an email, it's all automated. ChatGPT 4.0 is the engine that powers Copilot. It's a language model that's been trained to be a pilot. It can understand natural language and generate responses. It's like having a coworker who's always there, no more stresses. Copilot can also help you with your writing. It can suggest words and phrases, it's quite exciting. It can even help you with your grammar and spelling. It's like having a personal assistant, it's quite compelling. Exciting new features that make work easier. Microsoft Office 365 Copilot, the ultimate pleaser. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.